Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever faced the Star Citizen error code, generic installer error, while trying to download Star Citizen? It's a common issue and one that can be incredibly frustrating. The error message reads, "An error has occurred during the installation process. Please report a bug if the problem persists. Make sure to include your logs." The root of this problem often lies in the installation path, or it could be due to insufficient storage space. So, let's explore some solutions to get you back into the universe of Star Citizen as quickly as possible. The first fix is to ensure you're selecting the correct path for installation. It's a simple step, but it's easily overlooked. The correct path is Star Citizen Insider RSI Launcher Star Citizen Live. Double-checking this could save a lot of hassle down the line. The second fix tackles the issue of the installer being unable to create necessary folders. If this is the case, try creating the Star Citizen Live folder manually under the RSI launcher. Once that's done, attempt to install the game again. The third fix is a common one for many software-related issues: running the program as an administrator. Some users have found that this step alone can resolve the generic installer error. Give it a shot and see if it makes a difference. Lastly, ensure you have sufficient storage space for the game. Star Citizen is a large game, and insufficient storage space can easily trigger the generic installer error. Take a moment to free up some space if necessary. To summarize, when faced with the generic installer error while downloading Star Citizen, consider these 4 steps. Check the installation path, manually create the necessary folders, run the program as an administrator, and ensure you have enough storage space. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.